In this video, I'm going to deal with the question of, are babies born in a disproportionate way in any particular month of the year? And what I've done is I've tabulated data from a government agency in the US that has reported the births for a particular year across all months. And you can see that they're not terribly different. They're mostly 327,000, 299,000, 330. And what we need to do is we need to transform these data into percentages to get one step closer to getting a sense of, well, what month has the largest percentage of babies born in it. And what we need to do first is we need to calculate a sum for all births, because I then want to divide a particular birth by that sum to get a percentage of births for that year. So go into Analyze Descriptives, and Descriptives for this one, go into Births, click on Options, and click on Sum. I don't want the mean, I don't want the standard deviation, I don't want any of those things, I just want the sum for this. And I get a sum of, where is the sum? Did I deselect sum? Let's see. Let's see, there we go. There we go. 3989000. So I want to divide each month of births by that value. So transform compute, actually I should take a snapshot of that value, because I won't remember it. Might not remember it. So compute percentage, and I'm going to go births divided by 3989000. Yep, 3989000. And I could multiply that by 100 to get a percentage. And SPSS has created a new variable, and we can see the percentages over here, where we could sort them as well to see actually which month has the highest percentage of births, to make this a little bit easier to understand. So sort cases, go into data, sort cases, and I want to sort according to percentages, and I want it descending. And what we get is 8.87 for July. So July seems to be, at least numerically, the largest percentage of births, and February seems to be the lowest number of births, 7.5 versus 8.87. So they're very similar, but there does seem to be some variability in the months. Clearly, February is a relatively less popular month for the birth of babies, which suggests that if we go back in time 9 months, that's a less frequent time for the conception of babies. What we don't know, though, is whether any of these differences are statistically significant. And I'm just going to foreshadow some later work in later chapters about calculating differences between numerical values in a statistically significant way. This could have happened just by chance in any given year. In another year, who knows, maybe July is 7.5 and February is 8.87. There are sampling-related issues to addressing this question, but at least numerically, to get things started off from a descriptive statistics perspective, this is how I would go about answering this question, or it's at least one way to go about it.